Hey everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. This week we are continuing on our talk on CNCs, specifically looking at the Shapeoko 3 by Carbide 3D. We're going to do a real fast overview of the process, start to finish, so stick with me. First, you need some CAD/CAM software. In this case, it is Carbide Create. That comes with Shapeokos. It's a free download. So what you do is you design your piece inside this design software. Then you pick out which bits you want to use. And you add some tool paths. Then you run a simulation to see how it's all going to look once it's finished. Once it looks exactly as you want it, then you open up your controller software. In this case, it is Carbide Motion. Then what happens is Carbide Create, the design software, translates your design into a language that Carbide Motion can understand, which in this case is G-code. Then Carbide Motion sends that and all those instructions right over to the machine, and it begins to cut your piece. That's all there is to it.